Morning everyone, this is Eric, Auto Replay. Looks like we got an intermittent issue.
No way.
The red brake light's coming on the dash. So I'm like, am I low on brake fluid? I mean, do I have a leak? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Because all the brake pads and everything's been replaced. Got new rotors and all kind of stuff. So shouldn't be doing that, but I'm gonna have to stop, pull over, check the brake fluid, I guess, and this airbag light's coming on. Just some weird stuff. See, this brake light just came on right now. Alright, so been driving this SUV today. Oh yeah, the brake light came on, so I went ahead and got some DOT 3 brake fluid. Yeah, this is the DOT 3, that's what it's recommended. And this is your brake reservoir right there. And yeah, you can tell you right there, it's DOT 3 fluid, and it does look a little low compared to it's underneath this line. It should be up here. So it's kind of odd that it's low. I don't know, maybe the time, but I'm gonna fill it up and make sure I don't have a leak, man. I'll put it just like, I might max it out. No, I'm gonna put it just right above this line here to make sure that if it comes back, then something's up. All right, so for now, I just kind of filled it up to this line right here. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it, because if it drops down significantly, then I know I got a leak. But this is the one thing that I didn't do, was a brake fluid flush. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it, man. Things back for now. But I don't know how much longer it's gonna be here, so catch y'all on the next one.